The book The Good Gut explains how the microbial ecosystem in our bodies forms and ages, from newborns to the elderly. It delves into the curiosity surrounding gut microbes and probiotics. The interest in probiotics, living microorganisms that provide health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts, has been steadily increasing not only recently but also over the past few years. As the global market for health supplements grows, the field of probiotics plays a significant role in driving this growth. The North American probiotics market surpassed $57.8 billion in 2022 and is expected to exceed $85.4 billion by 2027. The perception of gut health has evolved from merely preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements to recognizing the pivotal role of gut health in overall well-being. Research on the human microbiome has progressed rapidly, emphasizing that gut health influences more than just the intestines. It affects the entire body. A study conducted by the research team at Clarkson University in the United States analyzed the correlation between mental physical energy, fatigue, and gut microbial communities based on individuals' characteristics. The results indicated a predictive relationship between the state of gut microbes and the energy and fatigue levels of both the mind and body. This study demonstrates a correlation between gut microbes and the energy and fatigue levels at a characteristic level. Additionally, distinct bacteria were found to be associated with specific personality traits. Bacteria performing metabolic functions were linked to energy, while bacteria associated with inflammation were related to fatigue. This study, published in the Nutrient Journal, contributes to the growing understanding that consuming probiotics goes beyond promoting regular bowel activity. It is becoming recognized as a fundamental element in taking responsibility for one's overall health. The shift in public perception has also influenced probiotic companies. Previously, the focus was on probiotics positively impacting gut health. However, the trend now involves a more detailed approach. For instance, probiotics aiding in weight loss, supporting the immune system, or enhancing women's vaginal health are becoming more prevalent. Furthermore, there is a growing trend toward customization and personalization, allowing individuals to identify and select the probiotics that suit their specific gut needs. It is essential to note that the differentiation among probiotic strains lies in their roles and characteristics. Just as different exercises target various muscle groups, probiotics' roles dictate their consumption forms and methods. Contrary to the misconception that all probiotics are similar, they differ significantly in their functions. Therefore, understanding the specific roles of each probiotic strain is crucial. Using probiotics is not about opting for cheaper products, but recognizing the importance of the roles each strain plays. If someone consistently takes probiotics without noticeable changes, or if there are allergy concerns or headaches, it is essential to change your probiotics into other brands. The probiotics I consume consist of a proprietary formula with 5 exclusive strains. These strains, validated as the most authoritative among numerous SCI-level papers, include Bifidobacterium lactis HN019 at 5 billion, Bifidobacterium lactis BL04 at 2.1 billion, Lactobacillus acidophilus NCFM at 1 billion, Lactobacillus acidophilus LA14, and Lactobacillus paracasei LPC 37, each at 1 billion. So, what exactly is a strain? Strains represent a more refined concept compared to general probiotics, characterized by fully elucidated genetic information and more precise attributes through extensive research. Understanding probiotic nomenclature involves distinguishing between genus, species, and strain. For example, Bifidobacterium is the genus, Lactis is the species, and HN019 is the strain. The current probiotics market emphasizes the characteristics and benefits of different strains, indicating where they offer assistance in the body. Consuming specific strains seems more efficient than just taking any probiotic. Regarding the highlighted strains, these 5 can safely reach the intestine without the need for coating. Bifidobacterium lactis HN019, in particular, plays a role in preventing harmful bacteria from entering the intestines through the mucous membrane. Research indicates that it decreases the colonic transit time, CTT, facilitating smoother bowel movements and alleviating symptoms like abdominal pain, reflux, nausea, vomiting, constipation, irregular gas formation, diarrhea, etc. Furthermore, It has been confirmed that HN019 also plays a role in improving gut microbial imbalance, especially in cases where antibiotics are taken or when the common bacterium difficillin causes diarrhea. This action is observed in the HN019 graph, where it restores the beneficial gut bacterium Bifidobacterium. In terms of immune function, HN019 has been identified to activate prominent immune cells, such as macrophages and NK cells. Next is Bifidobacterium lactis BL04. In the group administered with this strain, respiratory infections decreased, and a reduction in the virus causing colds, namely rhinovirus, was also confirmed. Therefore, it can be affirmed that the main strains, HN019, NCFM, and BL04, all contribute to improving respiratory health and immune function. Now, Lactobacillus acidophilus NCFM also attaches to the mucous membranes, aiding in the suppression of harmful bacteria and promoting the proliferation of probiotics. Research results indicate that NCFM shows similar outcomes in terms of digestive health, particularly in alleviating symptoms related to the immune system, such as fever, cough, runny nose, and cold-like symptoms. Therefore, when considering the past probiotic market, it's not just about the simple comparison of quantities like, this probiotic contains 100 billion or 200 billion. While the quantity and coding are essential factors, what we need to focus on now is which strains were used. Although the type of strain influences the quantity and coding method, it has become less crucial than it used to be in the past. So, we have 4 criteria for good probiotics that we propose. First, is it a scientifically validated strain? The strain's characteristics should be confirmed through numerous high-quality studies, verifying not only its consistency and species, but also its traits via scientific research. Second is viability and adhesion. Is this strain a good one, not just surviving but also thriving in the intestines? Can it combat harmful bacteria and adhere well to the intestinal barrier? Verify the role of the strain beyond mere survival in the gut. Third is a meticulous blend. My probiotics include a component called inulin, extracted from the plant-based source chicory root. This can also serve as food for probiotics. A well-blended probiotic product should have such components. Finally, the fourth is the ratio of bifidobacterium. As one ages, the proportion of bifidobacterium tends to decrease consistently among the total guaranteed strains. This decline is due to external factors such as aging, dietary habits, and the environment. Therefore, consuming probiotic products that include bifidobacterium is deemed effective. Our intestines are not just organs for digesting food or excreting waste. They are massive organs with a surface area of approximately 4,300 square feet. Moreover, about 70% of immunocells exist in the intestines, making it the primary organ for interacting with substances coming from the outside. The symbiotic relationship between intestinal microbes and our bodies involves over 100 species of bacteria and more than 100 trillion individuals. The interaction between external substances like food particles, bacteria, and microbes takes place in the intestinal mucosa. It plays a crucial role in protecting our bodies from various external stimuli, making intestinal health fundamental to overall health. Probiotics are not about choosing the cheapest option. They are an essential means of safeguarding our immune system and overall health. Therefore, it is crucial to consume validated probiotic products rather than focusing solely on price or quantity. If you are new to probiotics or unsure about the changes while consuming them, feel free to inquire through comments or the email address below.